This isn't about being cheap. It's about building the kind of life where your values lead, not your wants. Frugality gave me space to breathe. It wasn't about lacking, it was about choosing. And that is power. Let your money buy memories, not approval. Your values, not your image. That's what makes a moment last. When we have less, we are sharper. But when more comes in, that's when focus matters most. Slow doesn't mean lost. It means mindful. Flashy doesn't mean rich, just noisy. Freedom is built from small choices. The kind that nobody sees, but you feel every day. You don't need more to feel full. Sometimes just knowing you're already okay, that's true wealth. If everyone's only spending on weekends, one small crisis is all it takes to break the whole system. I've seen older folks pushed aside, not because they gave up, but because the world did. So build a life that can stand without work. You don't earn a black belt in a weekend. So don't expect to build peace in one either. Start small. Start now. These are your push-ups for life. I don't have all the answers, but these are the lessons I lived through. If they help you even a little, then I've done my job as your dad. Leave light. Leave clear. That's where the real riches are.